So we come to take care of this.
Hii Nairobi primary. Sasa tulikuwa tunaletwa hapa. Yes. Tunafanya we appreciate it a bit.
While the letter which was done by the Prime Secretary.
I am pleased to preside over this ceremony at which the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Forestry is among the very few government entities that have launched strategic plans aligned to the bottom-up economic transformation agenda better. Your plan adds on to the good things that the ministry has produced in the short span the Kenya Kwanza administration has been in office. I am reminded of your leadership in the 15 billion National Tree Growing Campaign and the recently approved Cabinet Climate Change Amendment legislation that aims to regulate the carbon markets in support of our nationally determined contributions. In a few weeks' time, you will also be hosting the Africa Climate Summit on behalf of the Kenyan government. I am also aware of the crucial policy and legal proposals intended for the ongoing government legislative agenda roundtables by my office. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not about to stop insisting that strategic planning as a results-based management tool is the instrument with which the public service will use to account for its existence. It means gone are the days when our only delivery accounting tool was to report to work and leave at your own pleasure. Today, as long as you remain in the public service, make strategic plans, service delivery standards, citizen delivery, charters, annual work plans, performance contracts, and staff performance appraisals part of your second nature. There are no shortcuts to efficient and effective public service delivery that the government is committed to. That if we manage our climate well, we will have built a mega resource, as Mr. Pandamiti said. I don't know whether the statistics are right, but I am told that Nairobi is becoming one of the top retirement homes for officers of the United Nations globally. And one of the things that is really pulling them here is exactly the serenity of our climate. I'm told that there's a possibility that as we sit today, apart from the 6,000 or so United Nations employees who are active, there could be about another 3,000 who have chosen to make Nairobi or Kenya their retirement home. So my message to you is, if you want to live longer, settle in Kenya.